Hello again, my fellers land buyers. In today's video, I want to talk about the general aspects to consider before you invest in raw land and lots. So, stay tuned and enjoy the video. There is so much great info for you today, and you should stay to the end. These are brought to you by Land Realtor Pro. So, let's start and talk about how to invest in land in 2023. Straight to the point. There are several ways to invest in land in 2023, including the following. Buying raw land. This involves purchasing undeveloped land with the intention of holding onto it for the long term. This can be a good option for investors looking for a hedge against inflation, but it also carries more risk than other types of land investments. Developing land. This involves purchasing land and then developing it for commercial or residential use. This can be a more expensive option, but it also has the potential for higher returns. Buying land through a real estate investment trust, REIT. This is a way to invest the land through a publicly traded company that owns and manages a portfolio of properties. REITs can be a good option for investors who want to own a piece of land without the responsibility of managing it. Participating in land crowdfunding. In this method, a group of investors pools their money to buy a piece of land. The land is then managed by a professional company, and the investors share in the profits. It's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence on any land investment before investing. It's also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or real estate professional to determine if investing in land is a good fit for your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider the following topics before making any investment in land or residential lots. Location. Research the location to determine if it has strong growth potential, such as proximity to planned developments or major transportation routes. Zoning. Understand the zoning of the area, such as residential or commercial, to ensure it is suitable for the use you have in mind. Development costs. Consider the costs associated with developing the property, such as permits, infrastructure, and other improvements. Market conditions. Look at trends in the real estate market in the area, such as recent sales prices, demand for property, and rental rates. Holding costs. Understand the cost of maintaining the property, such as property taxes, insurance, and other ongoing expenses. It's important to research and consider all of these factors before making any investment decisions. How about buying from a private seller? Buying land from a private seller can be a good option for investors who are looking for a more hands-on approach to land investment. Here are a few things to keep in mind when buying land from a private seller. Conduct thorough research. Before making an offer on a piece of land, research the property to ensure that it is zoned for the use you have in mind and that there are no outstanding liens or other issues that could impact your investment. Hire a professional. It's a good idea to have a real estate attorney or land surveyor review the property before you make an offer. This will help ensure that you fully understand any potential issues or risks associated with the property. Negotiate the price. Land prices can vary widely depending on the location and condition of the property. Be sure to negotiate a fair price with the seller, taking into account any issues or repairs that may be needed. Have a clear agreement. Make sure to have a clear, written agreement with the seller that outlines the terms of the sale, including the purchase price, closing date, and any contingencies. It's important to remember that buying land from a private seller can come with more risk than buying from a professional developer, so be sure to conduct your due diligence and consult with professional advisors before making a purchase. If you got to this point, please help us spread this information to other buyers. Click like, subscribe, and hit the bell. By doing so, YouTube understands this is good content and will spread to more people. Now, back to our land shop. Is vacant lots a good option? Vacant lots can be a great option for a land investment, but it depends on the location, zoning, and investment goals. Here are a few things to consider when investing in vacant lots. Location. The location of the lot is important in determining its potential value. Look for lots that are located in areas with strong growth potential, such as near planned developments or major transportation routes. Zoning. Be sure to check the zoning of the lot to ensure that it is suitable for the use you have in mind. Some areas may be zoned for residential use only, while others may allow for commercial or industrial development. Development costs. Developing a vacant lot can be a costly and time-consuming process, so be sure to factor in the cost of any necessary improvements or permits when evaluating the potential return on investment. Holding costs. Vacant lots require regular maintenance, such as mowing and debris removal, and may require property taxes, insurance, and other holding costs. Long-term investment. Investing in vacant lots is generally considered a long-term investment. It may take several years for the value of the lot to appreciate and for development to occur. Overall, vacant lots can be a good investment option if you do your due diligence, choose the right location, and are ready to hold on to it for a long period. It's important to consult with a real estate professional and conduct thorough research to fully understand the potential risks and rewards of investing in a vacant lot. This was the message for today's video. I hope it was helpful for your land shopping. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Please comment below, and let us know what you think. More great info is coming in the next videos. Stay tuned, folks.